You are the next big thing. You're unstoppable, a force of nature. You're here to stay in whatever field that you work in. You will leave your mark. Your energy cannot be reciprocated, duplicated. You cannot be replaced. It's only one you, and people are taking notice. You're going to come out like a bang. People are going to feel to themselves, why didn't I not notice this person all along? You see, Spirit cloaked you. Spirit cloaked your energy. Spirit wanted to expose those who would reject your energy. And in some cases, you unfortunately have been rejected. Reason being is because for some of you, people may have felt like you weren't elite enough to be around them, to be in their circles, not knowing that you are more powerful than them and their circle. For some of you, you will reach the great heights of success. For those same individuals who left you out in the cold to witness and to see, but you will be unable to access. Many people will be fighting over you. Some people will be trying to barricade your energy because there could be talks of wanting to sign you. For some of you, you could be an artist. You could be an athlete. And many people will be negotiating to have you on their team or to manage you. You are a big deal. Your energy is extremely powerful. And Spirit wanted to hide you from certain people. Some of you may have felt like your big break is taking too long. Nothing is by accident. Because Spirit wanted, or still wants, some of you to hone your skills and your talents. And when the time's ready, you'll know. Many people have tried to compete with you and come up against you, especially when you're so close to achieving a goal, because they can sense that you are an elite individual who's going places. And they're right, because you are. You are going to become the next big thing in art, in sport, architecture, psychology, astrology, roller skating, travel vlogging, fashion, hairstylists, modeling, racing, perfume making for some of you, wine tasting is what I'm seeing here. Some of you are going to create your own charity where you help the less fortunate. You will become a well-renowned activist. You are the next big thing. You'll be storming towards your goals and your victory. And those others who try to slow you down will try to keep up. May want to align with you because they will sense and see that you were the one to watch all along. You are the next big thing because for some of you, you have the key to someone's heart. A heart that was hard to penetrate. A heart that others were trying to rival you for. And you're going to get it. For some of you, you are the next big thing because you are the love of someone's life. You have become the love of someone's life to a person who doesn't open up easily, who doesn't date regularly, and finds it extremely hard to fall in love, but you have captured this person's heart. And some people are going to be angry, if they're not angry already, resenting you, wondering why it was you and not them. And you could also feel to yourself, at a time in the now, is it always going to be this way? Especially if you were used to dating certain people that were not meeting your needs, i.e. making you feel like you were doing all the work, or you feeling like you were alone in that connection. Spirit or God, or whoever you believe in, was preparing you. You weren't supposed to date too soon and waste your energy on people that would not reciprocate. You have a lot of abundance to share, but First Spirit wanted you to pour that abundance into yourself. You are the next big thing to someone, to show another person that there is light at the end of the tunnel. There is love still in this life. There is joy to be had, fun, dating, self-expression. You are the next big thing, not only for your career, but for your romantic life, for your personal life. You are inspiring others to live out their purpose, to live out their dreams, to release things that have been holding them back, and not to wait for life to happen for them to go out and grab life by the hands. And you have this immense confidence, whether it's a quiet confidence or an overt confidence, right? And people find your energy to be so infectious, your talents, your skills. I feel more so it's your talents as well, that people will want to study. You have galactic family cheering you on, willing you to go towards your success that you rightfully deserve. To fulfill your purpose, to spread the love and light that you possess within, to spread your talents, because I'm going to be real, for some of you, your talents are not from this realm. They're not. And that's why people are in awe of you when you are doing what you do best. You are channeling spirit. You are channeling energy from another realm. And that's why people find your energy to be so magical, out of this world, because you are connecting with energies from out of this world. And that's why you're going to have a lot of hysteria around your talent. And Spirit is saying, be mindful of those that weren't backing you in the past, that weren't supporting you. Because when they see the success, they're going to want to scurry back around. Because you are going places. And everyone knows it. Family member knows it. Especially some of those that didn't support you, but there were some family members that did support you, and they are going to be so proud of you, because you are changing the destiny for your family, for the next generation that's coming up. You are a role model. Some of you are like, I don't want to be a role model. You are a role model. You're paving the way for the next generation, not just in your family, but for other people that will look up at you and think, wow, if they can do it, I can do it. They came from this certain area. They had that type of background and they still achieved. Yes. You having this big break that's here now or coming later, it's not by accident. It's to help lead others into their purpose and victory also. And the thing is, you remain humble, you remain down to earth. You are heavyweight. Some people are not going to be happy about your success, but oh well. Because whilst they're still scrambling, being scattered, not knowing which direction to take, being trapped in the head because of their maybe fixation on your downfall for some of you, or taking lack of accountability because they were in a position to help, but they did not even envision that you would be so in demand, or that you are in demand, because you maintained your inner peace despite the pitfalls and delays. You continued to pour into yourself. You continued to stay true to your heart, to hone your talents, to master thyself. And this is what keeps these people up at night, because they did not see it coming, or they will not see it coming, because you are a star, my darling. You stand out. Even if others want to rival you for your talent, even if others try to barricade your talent, you will still stand out. Many people are going to want to connect with you. Many people are going to want to hire you, collaborate with you, manage you, take your career to that next level, because they can see it and they will see it. You are on the cusp of something magical. And your strength lies in your softness. Yes, you are powerful, but you lead with love. Your true power comes from your love of self, or your continued love of self, because the self-love journey is an ongoing process, right? But your love for your craft, your passion, it's not a falsity, it's not a facade. You're not doing it for the fame, you're doing it because you love it, and it shows. Your passion is unique. You are brilliant. You are magnificent. You are one of a kind, for sure. That's why you're the next big thing. Don't forget about me when you're famous, please. You could be of the signs, or other people that feel this way towards you could be of the signs: Leo, Aquarius, Pisces, Aquarius, Taurus, Capricorn. Pisces, Leo again, Cancer, Sagittarius, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Scorpio, and Leo. It's time to shine, butterflies. As Gwen Stefani said, what you waiting for?